Even in the best factories, execution mistakes happen, and when they do, productivity and quality suffer. At Andonix, we give workers and machines wings by empowering them with a digital hotline to fast-track the factory's response to any operational problem. We call it the Digital Andon Cord. Both machines and workers can trigger an alert, reaching the right individuals in the organization via their choice of text, email, or WhatsApp messages. A smart chatbot then serves as an intuitive and structured communication interface for teams to capture, share, and track information, critical for problem solving. And if the problem is not contained within the allocated time, the chatbot automatically escalates alerts to higher levels in the organization so that supervisors or management can prompt a corrective response quickly. But great execution in factories requires more than problem solving. Our app gives workers on-demand access to operating procedures, work instructions, checklists, and training modules, embedded with multimedia and visual information that anyone can follow. Collaboration is facilitated through an instant messaging module where teams can share workflows, documents, and even visual supports. Gone are the days of people in the factory not having instant access to the information they need. Great execution also consists of responding to changing circumstances. In the Industry 4.0 era, factories need to be able to introduce orderly changes and processes quickly. Through the Content Builder, changes in workflows, processes, or procedures can be made with a few clicks and published instantly. Workflows such as audits, maintenance, and inspections can also be assigned and scheduled at the individual level in just minutes, and workers are upskilled and retrained as circumstances require it. Andonix technology delivers instant access to key operational indicators, empowering manufacturing teams to beat their numbers and managers to get operational intelligence in real time, delivered through solutions such as SAP and Power BI so that you can make optimal business decisions. Andonix.